indicator. It should tell you what you're doing, everything that's going on. The gear up, the unsafe gear, and the gear down. So in this case, it has 3 colors. Sometimes it's only red or green. Green being geared down and locked, yeah. So if we flip this guy on, that's the accumulator charging to get system pressure, which the system pressure is going up. Flaps are up, so they're in the retract position here. Our gear is in the down position. Our throttle is idle. Okay, so it gives us an alarm because we don't want to be at idle with our gear up, because that means we're about to land. Yep. So gear door came up.
The button.
Yeah, the button is compressed there. The button is off here, and we have that extended out, making the arm go up and down. Extend it. Our flap degrees go to 40 degree flap. It's probably more than that, but gear up. It'll say gear down. This should go out.